To change your address with RBC, follow these steps. Log into RBC Online Banking. Open the RBC website or launch the RBC mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Profile or Personal Information section, which can usually be found under your account settings or My Profile. In the mobile app, this might be under the Settings icon. Select Address Update option. Look for the Update Address or Edit Address option. It might be listed under Contact Information or Address Settings. Enter new address details. Update your new address in the provided fields. You may need to confirm the changes and verify your identity for security purposes. Confirm changes. After updating your address, review the changes and click Save to finalize. RBC may send you a confirmation email to notify you that your address has been successfully updated. Visit an RBC branch. If you encounter issues or prefer in-person assistance, you can visit an RBC branch to update your address with the help of a representative.